Giannis Infantino. Okay, so this is the last show of the US and UK tour, Stairway to the Sky. You guys have been incredible from beginning to end, from the beginning of the tour all the way to the end. I can't thank you all enough. You guys have been fucking insane. Yesterday's show was incredible too, and obviously that was, I don't know if some people were here yesterday too, but that was insane. I owe all this success to you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thanks for being patient. Thanks for waiting. I know it took a while, but we're fucking here. You guys ready for another song? Me too. Let's make it a sick show tonight. It's the last one. Let's go out with a bang. There it is, Birds in the Cloud.